Welcome back to Cooking with Gloria. Today I want to share with you a very delicious coleslaw, nice and creamy and perfect for your fish or shrimp tacos. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. To start first here with my veggies. I'm gonna go ahead, take them to the sink and rinse them very good through running water. You know, this is a very important step. Always rinse through running water all your veggies. It really doesn't take too long, and your recipe is going to come out amazing. Okay, they are completely done. I'm gonna put them aside, and I want to start first with the dressing. I have the mayonnaise here, which I'm gonna add in a little bigger bowl. I'm going to add into this the sour cream. The sour cream, I'm going to add it in here. I'm going to add the mustard. Do not omit the mustard. The mustard really gives it an amazing flavor. The apple vinegar, black pepper, garlic powder, salt. I have Himalaya salt, but you could use the salt you have at home. And look at this. This looks amazing. And now I am just going to whisk everything in here, making sure that everything is incorporated, making sure that all the spices don't go to the bottom. It changes a little bit the color to a very light yellow, but you know something? This dressing really is amazing. This cabbage is versatile. You could use it with any kind of taco or any kind of fried chicken. And here I'm going to start slicing away the lettuce. I'm going to take my time, slice it very thinly. Let me show you. Look at this. This is exactly how you want your lettuce. Nice and thin. Take your time so that this cabbage comes out amazing. I know that you guys are going to love it. Well, here I'm just going to add it here to a bigger plate. And I am going to continue with the rest of my veggies. I'm going to use half an onion, which I'm going to add. The onion gives it color and gives it an amazing flavor. Well, here I'm just going to go ahead and slice it just like that, nice and thin. And then I'm just going to go ahead and pull it apart. You want to make sure that you pull everything apart and the slices are nice and thin. They will incorporate completely into the cabbage, and it will release all the delicious flavor of this red onion. Well, let's add it in here. Of course, that to this coleslaw salad, I am going to add carrots, and I'm going to take the edges off. I'm going to take the skin off slowly. And now, once this is completely done, I am going to go ahead, cut it through the middle, and then I'm going to shred it. Yes, I'm going to shred it. I want the carrot to really incorporate into the rest of the ingredients. This is where I'm doing my workout because this really takes a little bit of time. Now that I have shredded all my carrots, now I am ready to start adding them to the rest of the ingredients. It's really small. Look at those colors. They look amazing. Look at this. Of course that you could see those beautiful and vibrant colors. And here I have the dressing, really creamy, really delicious. And I'm already thinking, with what am I going to enjoy this delicious and creamy, tasty cabbage salad, my coleslaw? Well, here I'm going to add it in here. I'm going to incorporate everything, cover completely, all the cabbage, all the onion, and of course the carrots. I'm going to do it slowly so I don't make a mess. I'm going to be moving them from the bottom to the top, making sure that everything is covered with this delicious dressing. You could see the little pieces of the onion. Of course, the carrot, you could really see it. But now that this is done, look at it. It looks really creamy, really delicious, and the aroma. Of course, I'm going to try it out with a fish taco. I know that your mouth is watering. Look at this.
My friends, I can't take it anymore. I need to taste them. Amazing.
I am ready for the presentation. I'll see you in a bit.
My friends, I am completely done with this delicious coleslaw. Nice and creamy, perfect for the fish tacos, perfect for the shrimp tacos, you name it. I know that you guys are going to love this coleslaw. If you liked and loved my recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Don't forget to push that notification bell, and if you did, leave it activated, so every time I make a delicious recipe like I did today, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Like, subscribe, and share. See you soon.